All right, good morning. My name is Daniel. I'm an instrument tech. This morning we're talking about multimeter. A multimeter. Now, I guess some of you would have seen multimeter, but basically you don't know what it means. Now, a multimeter is a device that is used to measure volts, current, and resistance. And we have two types of multimeter: the digital and the analog multimeter. Now, some of the functions of multimeter are to measure continuity, wires and fuse, broken wires and broken fuse, for troubleshooting and checking all connected ends. And the multimeter has so many functions embedded into one format, which is what? Giving results. Yes.